Hey guys, today I'm back with another haul video, chilling on my couch here with my co-host Rue. If the camera angle's weird, I wanted to get Rue in the shot as well as myself. But today I'm going to be showing you some items that I picked up recently from Forever 21. A lot of fails in this round. They've started stocking some new brands, so I'm just getting used to their sizing. They've got some online only stuff. I'll link to some kind of like fashion videos down below. I have a Fashion Nova one coming as well, and I put quotes around fashion because it's not about like styling or anything. It's just like literally kind of like, hey guys, this is what I picked up, and maybe it'll give you some ideas. And I'm just trying to, again, represent my body type online. So hopefully you find this helpful, or you know what to avoid if you have a similar body type, because there were some bad ones in this video. But let's get into it. So this first dress is the plunging ribbed knit maxi dress. This was $24. I got everything, I think it was 30% off. I was waiting for a sale, as I do. And I really like how this came out. I got it in a large. I think I probably could have went with a medium, but it's a really nice kind of fun summery dress. And I also kind of forgot that you could see my face in these shots, but I really liked how this one came out. Then moving on to a huge fail and just such a disappointment. This is what I was looking forward to the most. This is the striped tie front dress, tank dress, and just the shape of it was horrible. It was just, I guess, way too big, but it still looked really, really bad. And the annoying thing is this is one of their online only, so you have to return it online. I like being able to go into the Forever 21 store. This has to be returned online, which I have yet to do. So this next item is the striped off-the-shoulder romper, and it's actually really, really cute, but a little bit short, as you can see on the leg region there. If I had like a beach vacation planned or something, I definitely would have held on to that, but I don't, and I don't think I wear this like on the everyday, so it ended up going back. It is super cute. I'm just tripping up on my own feet there. But if you are shopping online, Forever 21 or elsewhere, be sure to use Ebates. I used Ebates on this order, and I think I got like 3 or 4% cash back. It definitely builds up. And like I mentioned, this was cute, but it did end up going back. Up next, I was really happy with this. It's the striped tube maxi dress. Cannot go wrong with a maxi, and I just love the yellow color. It's got that slit up the side, so it has kind of the, it's not really sheer, but it's not completely opaque, and then there's another little layer underneath, and I find it's just really, really flattering. It's so easy to throw on for warm weather. You can wear a jean jacket with it, and the color of it is just gorgeous. Let's move on to another fail. This is the striped twist front high-low maxi dress, and it looked really cool on the model. It's not necessarily something I would pick up, but I try to challenge myself sometimes when it comes to clothing. Unfortunately, this did not pay off. I did not like the way it looked on my body. It's not horrible, but it's definitely not the most flattering. I don't know if it's really kind of the best fit for someone with a body type like mine, but it is really, really cute. But this went back. Now this is the t-shirt I was wearing in the intro. It's super adorable, cuff sleeve striped tee. I'm always in the market for good t-shirts. This is nice and long, and I think it looks really cute when you wear it with a bright lip, and these jeans I'm wearing are from Fashion Nova actually. And another t-shirt that I got that ended up working out is the vented high-low tee. I really like this style of t-shirt with the little slit on the side. It's a little bit baggy. I like my t-shirts to be longer. I hate when they're too boxy, and this color is really cute. It's really, really soft as well. And I think it was only like 13 bucks with the sale, so I was really happy with this one. This next t-shirt I was going to return, but I ended up keeping it. I really love graphic t-shirts, but I just hate the sayings on graphic t-shirts. So I was like, okay, this is a place in France. It's not anything silly about like boys or shut up or I'm the best or whatever it is that people put on t-shirts. I sound so old. Maybe stop shopping at Forever 21, but I never will. But I did like this. I like that it's distressed. I like that it's graphic. It is a little bit shorter than I'd want it to be, but I do really like it. Then this is the off-the-shoulder flounce top. I really like this. I have the like hanger things hanging out there, my bad. But I thought that this was super cute. It is a little bit short, but I am wearing high-waisted jeans, and I thought that that looked pretty good. Or I feel like you could tuck it into jeans as well, even though it is a little bit shorter. And I'm just obsessed with anything off the shoulder. I think it's just so flattering. It's super sexy without showing too much. And again, the color is really fun. Before off the shoulder, I'm the most obsessed with bodysuits, cannot get enough of them, and I have so many black bodysuits that I wanted to pick up this white one. White is a little bit tricky, however, especially if it's gonna be see-through, which is something you can't necessarily tell online. So this one actually worked out well. I'm wearing a bandeau with all of these items, and I love the design of it. It's a little bit retro. I feel like this was something I would have worn when I was like 12, but happy to have it. A staple in my summer wardrobe in the past has been maxi skirts, and I really like this one. It's the Bodycon maxi skirt. Worked out really well. It's just so simple, easy to throw on, and kind of pair with anything. It does have that really high slit up the side, but at the same time it is super long. So it's really, really nice for the summer. It's very breezy. And again, it's just easy to wear with anything. And lastly, I got these faux suede chunky heels. I mentioned these in a recent vlog, but I had them in a blush tone from last summer and I wore them all the time. So I was so happy to see that they came in black. Super comfortable. These came to 30 bucks, which is just such a good deal. I have a hard time spending a lot of money on clothes, so that's why I stick to like Forever 21, Fashion Nova, Boohoo, and these shoes are super comfortable. They go with everything. The heel is a perfect height, and I'm still wearing my blush ones this summer, so they lasted really nicely. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and be sure to stay tuned for an upcoming Fashion Nova fashion haul. I will link to my previous one down below if you're curious about shipping to Canada and whatnot. But if you'd like to connect with me, you can find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook at SamanthaJaneYT, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!